Hello everyone. Here I'll explain to you how to work with the XER Advanced Visual. So first of all, once you open the visual, you'll find two ways to insert your XERs. First one is the direct import. So when you select here in this button and you select your multiple XERs, you'll find all has been added here immediately. So this is the first way. Now I will show you the second way to do that. So in order to do that, let's say your data is in a SharePoint or OneDrive or GitHub, whatever it is, so or even a local drive, which is the same sample I'm using here. So make sure first you add a parameter with this specific name, XCR folder path, exact name. You can copy paste in your folder, in your Power BI file. Once you have this, make sure you put here your link to the folder itself, not to the file, to the folder itself. Second of all, click here first and then click on the advanced editor and copy all this together, right? Control A, Control C, and then go here to new source and blank query and then insert it. Once you insert it in a blank query here, to insert it in a blank query, you can just click advanced editor again and just insert it here. Once you insert it here, you will get the same table I have here. Now, once you have this XCR table, now close it, and then this XCR table actually contains of three columns. So make sure you add the XCR files here, you add the XCR file name here, and you add the project name here. Once you have it, you have everything you need, all the projects are there. So this is the second way to do that. Now let's continue with the other features of the visual itself. So here you have an overview about the project itself, status, duration, start and finish date, percent complete. You can navigate here. You can see all the WBS levels you want. You have all the filters here that you need for the XCR file, name, project ID, WBS activity ID and name, resource ID and name as well. Here I would like to point out something. This main layout at the top, if you click here and disable it now, you will just see the panels right away. For each section here, I added a section in the format. So for example, the project overview, this is the overview. The Gantt chart is the Gantt chart. So make sure you, if you want to change anything here, just open the project overview and change anything you like here. I'm not going to get in detail into each of them. I'm just going to go through quickly on each panel. So this is the Gantt chart. You can have all the features here that you need. This is the three projects we have. This is the dashboard. You'll find it here. That's a section of the dashboard itself. You can here see all the projects that you like. Make sure if your project doesn't appear here, that means there is another filter on another panel. So make sure you unfilter this one. This is the DCMA 14 point, showing the overall score. And also there is something here. If you go to the DCMA assessment, you'll find something called the threshold. Each threshold here, it's editable. So you can actually edit each number here and each percentage here with the number that you want. Now for the histogram, so here if I want to see, for example, the steel fixer, and I want to see it on man weeks, so I can see everything here. Let's see, I want to change something here, so I can go here and let's say I don't want to see those, just want to see the plan, for example, and I want to display the value, so I can just display the value very easy. So this is man weeks, I have man days, I have man month, and I have years, month, I have everything I need. I can just filter by resource. I can also fit to size, so all the options that you want are available for you. Now moving to the S-curve. So make sure first you like choose one project. So let's say I will choose one project. This one doesn't have, and this one also doesn't have. So the only one I have here is this one. So this is the project that we have here. So here, let's unfilter this, and you can, for example, filter based on the labor resource. You can filter based on the equipment. So it's up to you. You can just do any filter that you like, and you'll see here, this is the planned unit, actual and earned unit. Filter based on your resource. If you have a specific resource to calculate your physical progress, so you can just choose it, no problem. This is the critical path. You can have all the thresholds that you like. This is the look ahead. This is 3-week look ahead. So choose the project that you like and apply the days that you like. This is the cash flow. 3 projects are there, so you can just unselect whichever you like. This is the baseline, so make sure you add here the project, add here the baseline, and you will see this is the Gantt chart. You can even navigate and see if there's a delay or something. This is the calendar. You can see here all the calendars assigned. So for example, if I open one project, I can see here there are 2 calendars assigned to it, so I can see the non-working days, and I can see how many working days and working hours. This is the resources. So actually here, if you filter based on the labor resource, and I can filter based on the remaining only for one project. So I see here these are the distribution of it, and I have this is the threshold again for the overloaded and the high load and the normal and the low. If you go here to the resources tab, you can also have the threshold and you can edit it, so it will be edited here accordingly as well. Here you will find this is the table showing each unit and how many budgeted, actual, earned, remaining early and remaining late as well, and the percent complete. So these are all the features for this visual. Please reach out to me if you have any further questions.